Hey everyone, my name is Eduardo Martinez, and I am the author of the children's book Joe E. King and the Fragile Figurine. In today's episode of Conversations with Joe, we're going to talk about something that happens to Joe once the figurine has broken, and how a lot of kids will either shut down or demonstrate some other type of behavior when they can't communicate how they're feeling. That evening, Joe went home with the shattered remains of his figurine. He approached his father, hoping for comfort. "Dad," Joe said softly, holding up the broken pieces, "something happened today." His dad barely looked up from his newspaper. "Not now, Joe. I'm busy. We'll talk later, okay?" he muttered. Joe's chest tightened. He shuffled back to his room, holding the shards of glass. He wanted to cry, but he didn't know how to make sense of his feelings. The next day, still carrying the broken pieces, Joe went to school. His usual excitement was gone, and he sat quietly at his desk. Miss Woods noticed right away that something was wrong. After class, she knelt beside Joe and asked gently, "Joe, are you okay?" At first, Joe hesitated, but Mrs. Wood's kind eyes reassured him. Slowly, he began to speak, telling her everything: the dare, the broken figurine, and how lonely he felt at home. Miss Woods nodded thoughtfully. As a first year teacher teaching second grade, I didn't understand that there was a strong social emotional component that comes with teaching. I'd gotten my degrees, learned how to be a teacher, but little did I know, kids come to school every day with all sorts of emotions. In today's excerpt, we see that Joe is still very much affected by the shattering of his figurine, and he did not have anybody to talk to the night before. Students like Joe oftentimes need adults to figuratively grab them by the hand and walk them through their emotions, starting with what happened, how did that make you feel, what was going on around you at the time. And it's in those moments when trust and, most importantly, vulnerability happens. As an educator, I wish I could say that I've always been 100% aware of my students' emotional state. But the truth is, when I have things that need to be taught or lessons that need to be done, I really don't have the time to sit with my students and walk them through what they're going through. Sometimes we just have to pick ourselves up, get through the day, and then move forward. And then find some time in the end to recap or to talk about what was going on. Well, that's it for today's episode of Conversations with Joe E. King. Stay tuned next week when we talk about the Joe E. King Friends and Mentors Wall. Have a good day, everyone. If you would like to purchase a copy of Joe E. King and the Fragile Figurine ebook, please click the link to my link tree for more information.